Hey Warner, so I got your message about reordering months in like a Tableau worksheet. So I've pulled up um, just a little worksheet of the bar graphs, vertical bar graphs, and the easiest way I've found to reorder those months to look like an academic year is to click on this icon to switch rows to columns. And you can do it in other formats. This just happens to be the easiest way for me. And then to simply like click on July, the first month of that academic year, and then just drag it up or drag it wherever you want. So I'm just doing July, August, September, October, November, and whoops, yikes, November and December. And so now I've got things in the academic year order. And then if I did want those vertical bars, I could just click that rows to columns again. And now you can see the months are in the order that I desired. Hope that helps. Thanks.